Alberta, and what a beautiful day it is to introduce you to another new listing. This time we are in Didsbury, South Alberta, and we are literally just a few minutes drive from Olds and only about a half an hour drive from Airdrie. So really conveniently located. And as you can tell, I'm standing in front of a duplex at number 27 Deer Cooley Drive. It's one of the newer developments over here in Didsbury, really close to everything and backing onto a green space. You'll see that a little bit later. Now let's go in and have a look inside, shall we? Welcome indoors. Well, I always say this, but first impressions are so important. And as you can tell, right off the bat, we've got a nice large entranceway, so you don't have to worry about being out in the weather. By the way, did you notice out here? Look at how large this covered patio area is. You know what? If you've got guests coming in and it happens to be one of those rare days where it's raining, you're not gonna have to worry about it because they can all be under covers. So right here we've got, of course, the large closet area, garage entrance. Super nice to have it attached. Garage is a single attached garage. Come on in here, I'll show you a little bit inside here, nice and bright. It is large enough for a full-size vehicle. As you can tell, it is fully finished. You will not have to worry about plugging in your car in here. Now, as we move on, right beside the garage door is the entrance into the basement. We'll go down there in a little bit. In the meantime, I just wanted to point out that we've got a nice tiled entranceway here, which is what you want in the entranceway. And as we walk upstairs, I'm walking up these nicely brand new carpeted stairs. You can't see this, can't feel it, but I can. And I'll tell you, it's so nice and cushy to have brand new carpets. As we get up to the main floor area, you can see this is all laminate flooring over here. And what a nice space. Take a look at this open concept design. We've got the full-fledged kitchen with a large island, stainless steel appliances. Take a look at this. Plenty of space in here for the dining area. Couple, 3, 4 stools maybe, so you can have your breakfast nook. And look at the living space. How awesome is this? Now, you know what? I would put the dining room right here, right close to the entrance to the patio. As you can tell, we've got nice large French doors for the patio. No cheap sliding doors here. We'll go out there in just a little bit, but take a look at this space. How nice is this kitchen? I mean, can you imagine just being in here, maybe putting up a little bit of a turkey feast for Christmas? How cool would that be? Lots of space here, and what a beautiful view to go and have while you're preparing dinner. Now, on this main floor, a couple of other things here. We've got a 2-piece bathroom, conveniently located right on the main floor here, and that way your guests don't have to go all the way upstairs. Speaking of upstairs, this is a split level. So as we walk up the stairs here, on the first landing, it's only about a half a dozen stairs, you've got this massive primary bedroom. Look at the size of this room. It is huge, and it's got 2 very large windows, so you get sunshine from both sides. And then look at this ensuite, full ensuite. We've got the full bathtub, and I'll let the videographer go in there and kind of show you a little bit there. We've got a walk-in closet right beside there. And of course, as you can tell, it's all like new. Nothing to do here, just move in and enjoy. Now that we're done with the primary bedroom on the main level here, we've got just a few more stairs and you go up to the second level. And at the top here, we've got 2 more bedrooms at the back of the home. Really, really nicely done. Again, very spacious, plenty of space in here for queen-size bedroom furniture, and then a nice size closet. Not necessarily a walk-in, but plenty of space in here. And you can see that there's a fan up above me, and both the bedrooms over here are approximately the same size. So plenty of space in here. As you can tell, there's plenty of room for queen-size bedroom furniture. Again, brand new rug all the way through. It feels really good. And then conveniently located on this floor, check it out. Laundry room on the second level, right where you want it, right where all the laundry is being created anyways. How cool is that? Now, of course, the 2 bedrooms up here share this bathroom. Again, a full 4-piece bathroom. You don't have to worry about any of those grout lines. You know, I don't know if you've seen some of my other videos, but what I mentioned is these 1-piece fiberglass tubs are so cool because you don't have any of these grout lines. A lot of builders put in these cheap little basic bathtubs. Then they make it look nice by putting in tile surround. But what happens is this grout dries out after a while. You're supposed to do a sealant of like a clear coat every year. Who does this? Nobody. And what happens after a while? It gets all dried up, all this grout gets dried up, and water penetrates through and makes a mess full of mold. Nobody wants any mold in their home, so you're not gonna have to worry about that here. Both of these full bathrooms have a full bathtub, fiberglass. You're not gonna have to worry about that anywhere. Also, the vanity here, I just wanted to point out, a lot of builders just put in these basic little pedestal sinks. They look nice, but they're not very functional. Here you've got the full vanity, lots of space in here for additional things for you to store. We're not done. Remember I told you we're gonna go and have a look at the basement? The basement is developed as well, so let's go and have a look at that. Come down the stairs, and so nice. Again, these big stairs, lots of room to move furniture, and we'll just come right around here. And look at the size of this door, huge doors. You don't normally see that interior doors. Interior doors are usually much smaller. Now, as we walk down the stairs here, no more carpet. It's all laminate floor down here. At the bottom of the stairs, check it out. Another 2-piece bathroom. How convenient is that? Right there, easy to get to. You don't have to go upstairs. It's just a matter of a couple of steps and you've got your bathroom right there. And take a look at this space. So it's hard to believe, I know, but we're actually in the basement. These windows are completely above grade. This here, this is where the foundation ends. So all of this is completely above grade. There is no worry about window wells here. You know how sometimes those window wells get full of snow in the winter. You have to shovel them out, or else, you know, during those crazy melts that we get in the middle of winter, all that water could come in. You're not gonna have to worry about that here. Now, so you've got 2 very large windows, and look at this space. It is huge. So you could do maybe an entertainment area, maybe you can have like a little play space, maybe a ping pong table, maybe air hockey. You know, the ideas here are endless. Now, if you wanted to have storage, I gotta say, this is so nice. Rare to see so much storage in these units, but let's go and just have a quick look. That goes underneath the whole front entranceway. It is huge under there. So if you have Christmas boxes, that'd be a great place to store them. Still not done, I just want to mention a couple other things. In the utility room here, everything is high efficiency. We've got a high efficiency hot water tank. We've got the HRV system. This is a heat recovery ventilator system. For those of you that haven't watched any of my previous videos, what happens here is you've got warm air coming in from the inside that's stale. In the winter time, you probably don't open your windows and doors very often, so that air becomes stale. And in order for you to stay healthy, you want to have nice fresh air coming in. But you don't want to be opening up the door all the time, freezing cold. So what happens is you've got fresh air coming in through this heat exchanger. So fresh cold air is on one side, stale warm air is on the other side, and there's a temperature exchange that happens right there. And that makes it a lot more efficient, and you also get nice fresh air, so you stay nice and healthy all winter long. In here is a bunch of filters as well, so they'll filter out all that air, so make sure that you get those filters clean at least twice a year, once in the spring, once in the fall. That way you'll have nice clean air all year round. These white pipes here, this represents a fan that extracts the air from the gas hot water tank, and this is all high efficiency unit. As you can tell, it's got the igniter here. There's no more pilot lights. And of course, we've got the high efficiency furnace here as well. So again, the same thing, you've got those fans to extract the air, and there's no pilot lights, it's just an igniter, very, very efficient. So you won't have to worry about your bills being very high in this unit. One last thing I just wanted to mention is the electrical panel. Look how nicely finished this electrical panel is. A lot of builders just leave this wide open and it's kind of ugly looking, but look how nice this was done. So there you go, plenty of space in here. In this case, there is still a 𝗏𝗪 unit, but you know, some people have other providers for their internet. There's plenty of space in here for that. You can see all of the permits are in place. This is very important. And plenty of space still left for additional electrical. Maybe you are thinking electric car in the future, or maybe a hot tub. Plenty of space in here. 100 amp service, very important for your insurance. So everything's up to spec here. Now, let's go outside and take a look at that backyard, shall we? Come on up. Well, what did you think? Isn't this just a beautiful little home? I mean, nothing to do, just move in and enjoy. Just imagine coming home in the evenings. This home is actually west facing. You can enjoy those beautiful sunsets while you're having your barbecue. And you know what? When you're done with that, you can enjoy this beautiful backyard, brand new landscaping back here. And as I'm walking towards you, you'll notice that we've got a chain link fence that leads out to a pathway. Take a look at this. You could just go for a walk right from here, and a pathway right at your doorstep. How cool is that? So if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate. Contact us. The links are below. Call us. Schedule your own personal viewing of this beautiful property. And remember to always share this video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.